In this video, we are going to learn how you can automatically back up your DigitalOcean droplets once a week. So let's take an example that you are using DigitalOcean as your cloud hosting platform where you have created some droplets. Now you want to back up those droplets so that you don't lose your data. For this, we are going to use scheduler of Pabbly Connect so that all your droplets are going to be backed up every week on a specific day and at a specific time. And to set up this automation, you need to use Pabbly Connect. So how you can set up this automation? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we need to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as backup your DigitalOcean droplets once a week. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want to back up our DigitalOcean droplets every week. For that, we have to just open this trigger window and here we have to choose the application name as Schedule by Pabbly. Now here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So here we want our workflow to run on every specific day of a week. So I will be selecting it as days of the week. And here I'll be selecting the day. Select days at which you want the workflow to be triggered. So here I will be selecting Monday. You can select the day as per your requirement. Okay. So this particular workflow is going to run on Monday and here we have to specify the time. So I'm just giving the time as 10 a.m. in the morning. Select the time for the schedule to trigger. The time will be based on your account time zone, which is Asia and Kolkata. That is the reason here I have given the time zone, that is 10 a.m. in the morning. So every Monday at 10 a.m. this particular workflow is going to run. So let's click on save. Successfully scheduled. So here we can see that the response is received. Okay, days as Monday and time as 10 a.m. Now we want to take the backup of our droplets. Okay, for that come to this action step and here choose the application name as DigitalOcean. Select the action event as snapshot a droplet. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with DigitalOcean. Now here it is asking for the authorization. So I'm just going to select and I'm just going to click on authorize application to give away the access over here. Authorization successful. And now the DigitalOcean account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my DigitalOcean account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your DigitalOcean account. Now here it is asking for the droplet that needs to be selected for which we want to take the backup. So here I want the backup for Pabbly test droplet. So I'll be selecting the same droplet name over here. Now here it is asking for the name of the backup. So here I want the name of the backup to be the date on which the backup is created. For that we need the date, but here in the response we haven't got the date. So let's find the date by clicking on this plus sign add action step. And here choose the application name as date and time formatter. Select the action event as current date. Click on connect. Now here we have to select the basic format. So the format I want to be in the YY, MM and DD format along with the time zone. And now let's click on save and send test request. So here we have got the date and time, okay, in the response. Now here I'll be mapping the date that we have got from our date and time formatter. And before that, I'll just give a name that is backup underscore. Okay, and for mapping, we just need to connect DigitalOcean once again. Let's click on select existing connection because we have already created a connection. Let's click on save. Okay, and now we will be mapping the date from date and time formatter. Okay, and before clicking on save and send test request, I'll be just taking you to my DigitalOcean account. Okay, and let's move to the images section. And here you can see that I have just one snapshot over here. So as soon as I click on save and send test request, a new backup will get created over here. Okay, let's check it. I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. And here in the response, we have got an action ID. It means a backup is created. Let's check it. I'm just going to refresh my DigitalOcean account. Okay, and here we can see that a new backup has been created. And here we can find today's date as well as the time. Okay, and in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now I'm just going to minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have applied a scheduler over here that this particular workflow should run at a specific day and at a specific time. Then we have applied date and time formatter just because for naming a snapshot or for naming a backup we need the current date. And at last we have backed up our DigitalOcean droplets. And we have created a successful integration using Pabbly Connect. Thank you. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.